Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will make some sentences with these words. Well, are you excited to make these words? Make some sentences with these words. I know you're excited. Well, let's start now. The first word we have is circle. Let's make a sentence with circle. We will make two sentences with circle. Well, let's start now. The plate shape is circle. The plate's shape is circle. Now let's go to number 2. Circles are round and smooth. Circles are round and smooth. Good job. Next up, we got instructions. Let's make two sentences with instructions. Number 1. Listen to the instructions from me. Listen to the instructions from me. Okay. Number 2. Listen to the instructions from your teacher. Well, you will correct all of your exams. Now we got between. Between. Well, let's make some sentences with between, of course. Number 1. Share the chocolate with your friends. Share the chocolate with your friends. But no, it don't have between. Well, let's go with between now. Share the chocolate between your friends. Share the chocolate between your friends. Number 2. I have shared my treats between my friends. I have shared my treats between my friends. That was great. Now, let's go to the next one. Listen. Listen. Let's make some sentences with listen. Number 1. Listen to your teacher while you're doing your classwork. Listen to your teacher when you're doing your classwork. Number 2. Listen carefully to me. Listen carefully to me. Well, let's go to the next one now. Where? Now let's go with number 1. Where do you live? Where do you live? Now, number 2. Where are you going in this hour? Where are you going in this hour? Good job. Now, let's go to the last one. Again. Again. Let's make two sentences with again. Number 1. We will go to the safari again. We will go to the safari again. Now, number 2. We will have fun tomorrow again. We will have fun tomorrow again. Well, friends, if you like to hear more of my videos and see the videos, please like and subscribe. Bye. And if you're new, my channel's name is Radia Sultana Risha. I got some of my videos at my father's channel. and my father's channel's name is CPM Rana. Well, hope you like this video. So bye, see you in the next video.